You sat on the board of Oracle. Oracle is one of the key companies that's building out this largest ever infrastructure investment in the United States right now for data centers, intelligence factories, which I think is absolutely critical to national security. But at the same time, you're starting to see a bipartisan and organized kind of political resistance to that critical infrastructure, both for American prosperity, but also for our national security. And the two of those are intricately tied. What do you think about that? How do you respond to an AOC or Bernie Sanders saying, we need to put a moratorium on this, given the context of the competition, given what the stakes are? How do you respond to that?
I go back to my basic theme that in a democracy we govern by leadership or crisis.
Mm-hmm.
And it is critical for us to have that leadership.
To explain, need to explain.
We absolutely have to have that leadership,
mm-hmm.
whether it's in industry or in government.
Mm-hmm.
Frankly, the biggest concern I have right now is not with industry, it's not with technology. It's basically with dysfunction in Washington. And when there's an inability of leadership